everybody, today I am going to show you two long division problems, and I'm Miss Cox's daughter, Alyssa. So the first problem I'm going to do is 213 divided by 7. So here's a fact before you start. 213 is the dividend, and it's always going to be the biggest number. So if you get anything, if your answer is bigger than that, then you know you've done something wrong. So first thing, you want to see if 7 can go into 2. 7 cannot go into 2, so you go to the next digit, which is the 1. So 7 goes into 21 3 times. And 7 times 3 is 21. So you're going to want to subtract that, and you're going to get 0. Now you're going to bring down your 3, which is the next number in your problem. And don't bring down any other numbers, just the one right there. So bring down the 3, and then you see if 7 can go into 3. And it cannot. So then you put a 0. And 7 times 0 is 0. So then you subtract 3 from 0, which is 3. And that's the number you have left after dividing. So you're going to want to bring it up here. And we call this the remainder. So you want to add a little r and then the number you have left over. And that is that problem. And then I'm going to do the next one. If you think you've got it and you can do it on your own, pause this video and click out of it. If you still don't understand it, I'm going to do another problem. So in this problem, I'm going to do 515 divided by 5. So we do the same thing as last time. If 5 can go into 5, then we count how many times this number can go into that one, which is 1 time, because 5 can go into 5 1 time. So 5 times 1 is 5. So subtract that and you get 0. Now bring down the 1 like we said in our last problem. And 5 can go into 1 0 times. 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract that. That equals 1. Now bring down your 5. Now you have 15. 5 can go into 15 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. When you subtract, you get 0. So you have no remainder. You don't have to put an R and then a 0. You just keep it like that. Keep up the good work. I know you can do it. I hope that this helped.